Imagine driving with an extra set of eyes on the road, capturing every detail, day or night, in breathtaking clarity. Today, we're looking at the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. And trust me, this isn't just another dash cam. It's your ultimate road guardian. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worried about hit and runs, insurance claims, or simply wanting to document your incredible road trips, then you know the value of a reliable dash cam. But the ROVE R2-4K isn't just reliable. It redefines what you should expect from in-car surveillance. We're talking cutting-edge technology packed into a sleek, user-friendly device that brings unparalleled peace of mind to every journey. Let's dive straight into what truly sets the ROVE R2-4K apart. Its phenomenal 4K Ultra HD recording. We're not just talking about good video. This is crystal clear, 2160p resolution footage that captures license plates, street signs, and crucial incident details within clarity that simply blows other dash cams out of the water. You'll notice the difference immediately. But it doesn't stop there. What about driving at night? That's where ROVE's revolutionary super night vision technology truly shines. With its 6-glass lens, an industry-leading f1.5 aperture, and a Sony IMX335 sensor, this camera delivers comparatively clearer footage in low-light conditions. This means whether it's broad daylight or the darkest back road, your evidence is always sharp, discernible, and ready to back you up. Now, capturing incredible footage is one thing, but accessing it quickly and conveniently is another. That's where the ROVE R2-4K's built-in Wi-Fi 6 comes into play, and it's a game changer. Forget fumbling with tiny SD cards and card readers. With the intuitive ROVE app, you can instantly view, manage, and download your 4K videos directly to your iPhone or Android smartphone. And get this, thanks to Wi-Fi 6, those downloads are lightning fast, up to 6 megabytes per second. Imagine witnessing an incident, and within moments, having the high-resolution footage on your phone, ready to share with authorities, insurance, or even social media. It's seamless, efficient, and incredibly empowering. Beyond stunning visuals and instant access, the ROVE R2-4K provides another layer of undeniable proof, built-in GPS. This isn't just about recording where you've been. It accurately logs your driving location and speed. In the unfortunate event of an accident, having irrefutable data like your exact coordinates and speed can be absolutely critical for insurance claims and legal proceedings. You can easily review your entire driving route on Google Maps through the app or the dedicated GPS player. Plus, ROVE doesn't just sell you a camera. They offer free firmware upgrades over the air via the app, ensuring your device is always up to date with the latest features and performance enhancements. And let's quickly touch on other intelligent features. A robust supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, parking mode, motion detection, and G-sensor for impact detection, all working tirelessly to protect you and your vehicle. So, if you're looking for more than just a camera, if you're seeking a comprehensive, reliable, and incredibly advanced guardian for your vehicle, the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam is the clear choice. It's an investment in your safety, your peace of mind, and your ability to confidently navigate the road ahead. Don't settle for less when it comes to protecting yourself and your loved ones. Elevate your driving experience with the best. Find the link in the description below to grab your ROVE R2-4K today and drive with ultimate confidence. You deserve that peace of mind.